13 WMAZ weather, sponsored by Bucky Holland Heating, Cooling, Plumbing.
Angeli, a strict follower of the expiration date?
I'm the same as you. I'll push it for the things that can sit on the shelf,
Yes.
but never for perishables.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, well, we're getting warm, so I'm not sure how to transition into that, but yeah, well, we'll just go straight into the forecast because there's not really an easy way to do that. So we're looking right now at the sky cams here. You've got some cloud cover across all four. And otherwise, I mean, it's been a pretty quiet day today. We haven't really had much in the way of rain, and it's just been another warm one. Now, we do have a couple of showers and storms starting to pop up now, but they won't be for everybody, just a couple of areas as we head into the rest of the evening. 82 degrees in Dublin. Across the board, it is warm. Like I said, it's been a warm day today. Temperatures have been in the low to mid 80s, and we will stay warm as we head into the overnight hours. Now, I'll show you the radar here in just a moment. There are a couple of pop-up showers and storms out there. Those will be possible through the rest of the evening, but they'll die down in the overnight hours. Like I said, warm tonight. The low in the morning tomorrow will be in the low 60s, well above average for this time of year. But kind of the star of the show right now is the satellite and radar. Obviously, we have a lot of cloud cover out there, but most of the thunderstorm activity is actually down to the south of us. So here in our area, it's fairly quiet right now, but all that activity from the south is actually moving into our region. Our northern counties, that means completely quiet right now. They may see a shower storm later this evening, but for the majority of the evening, it's going to be down here south of I-16. You can see this one severe thunderstorm warning trying to move into Wilcox County, but it's hardly moved over the last 45 minutes. We've had this one cell that's moving from Crisp into Dooley, and other than that, we'll just kind of continue to see these pop-up showers and thunderstorms through the rest of the evening. That's what the future view will show you here. By the time we get to the late night hours, transitioning mainly into rain, and then it starts to fizzle out. And then we look towards the weekend. Of course, it is Easter weekend, so lots of reasons to be outside. Luckily, Saturday follows a very similar pattern. As we go into the day on Saturday, a clear start that leads to kind of those afternoon pop-up showers and thunderstorms once again by the evening. That's what you see here on the future view. So dodgeable through the rest of Saturday, not necessarily an all-day washout, but those rain chances do increase as we head into Sunday. We've got this organized lines of showers that's going to be moving in ahead of a cold front here, and it's going to start like it always does in our northern counties. So that means a little bit of an earlier arrival time for our northern counties. Unfortunately, looks like it could line up with the time of a lot of Easter services. So if you've got church around 10 to 11 a.m., you're in the Macon-Warner-Robins area, you could be looking at least a couple of light showers through the morning. By the time we get into the early afternoon, that's when this line is over here in our southeastern counties, but even behind the line, still a couple of on and off showers. So it's going to be a little bit of a messy day. I definitely think there'll be moments when you'll be able to get outside and just have to deal with a couple of clouds, but there's also going to be a lot of moments when we're dealing with scattered showers. After that front comes through, it is going to clear us out and cool us down. Temperatures for the upcoming work week are going to be a little bit closer to average for this time of year. Highs will sit somewhere in the low to mid to even upper 70s, and the overnight lows will be back in the 40s. It's also going to dry us out Monday through Friday next week. Looks like we have little to no rain chances.